Hello everyone. This video mainly introduces the use of Player 6 Media Player. Player 6 is the best 4K UHD media player. First, we went to the official website of DVDFab to download Player 6. The Player 6 offer 3 versions: Free Edition, Standard Edition and Ultra Edition. Here we mainly introduce the Ultra Edition. In addition to the functions of the regular player, it supports regular Blu-ray and 4K UHD Blu-ray playback, supports 3D video playback, and supports building local media libraries. Click here to download Player 6. The free trial period is 30 days, during when all the paid version features are available for your evaluation. Here we have pre-installed Player 6. Double-click to start. There are 2 modes for us to choose. We choose PC mode. Enter the main page of Player 6. On the left is the navigation panel, which is divided into 2 parts, the media library and my computer. You can choose according to your needs. On the right is the display window. Now we can see that the computer on the right side is not connected to the DVD-ROM drive. If your computer has an optical drive, you can play the contents of the DVD-ROM already in your computer. Let's take a look at the settings panel. Under the Media Library tab, we can build a local media library. First, import local video files. Here will shows the number of movies in the built media library. The media library is now updated. We can quickly search for the movies want to watch. Open the Settings tab. Under the General tab, we can set the language of the software. The playback mode of the video can be set under the Playback tab. It offers simple mode and menu mode. Let's start with simple mode. First, we import the local DVD file and wait for it to load. At the bottom is the playback control area. Click here to select the playback speed of the video. Click here to open a playlist of videos. We can quickly change video, audio and subtitle settings via the right-click contextual menus. Then we switch to the menu mode. Open the video file again. On the left side of the video we can see the navigation menu. You can quickly set the video. We return to the settings. Under the Video tab, we can adjust the HDR mode and the color range of the output video. Under the Hotkey tab, we can set the software shortcuts. The functions of other tabs are easily understandable. Now that the DVD-ROM drive is installed for the computer, we can directly open the DVD file. You can purchase the software on the DVDFab website. After the purchase is completed, return to Player 6 to authorize it. Open the settings, select the Authorize, enter your own account and password, click on the Authorize, then you can use all the functions of the software. So much for the Player 6 introduction. Thank you all.